Good morning. In this lecture series, we see about the resolution of line with the numerical problems. It's a very interesting one. So, what is the question here? Let's move on the topic. Draw the projection of a rhombus having a diagonals 125 mm and 50 mm long. The smaller diagonal of which is parallel to both principal plane, while the other is inclined 30 degree to the HP. So here, first of all, what is a plane will be given your problem. Okay. So what is a plane? Here, robots. Okay. So what is the construction? What is the condition for robots means? All the sides are equal, but diagonals are not equal. Okay. Wow. All the sides are equal, diagonals are not equal. Okay. That is the conditions of robots. Okay. So that is having a diagonal value is given. That is a one is the longest diagonal, another one is the shortest diagonal. So what is the longest diagonal? 125 mm. What is the shortest diagonal? Is a 50 mm. Okay. So after constructing the rhombus according to their diagonal basis, okay, then you have to consider the smaller diagonal of which is parallel to both the principal plane. Okay, so if having a 50 mm diagonal length, okay, that is diagonal length is a parallel to both the principal plane. Then that while other is inclined to 30 degree to 30 degree HP. Okay, wow. So first of all, you have to construct the line. Okay, first of all, you have to construct the rhombus. Okay, so what is the diagonal? That is a 50 mm and 125. Okay. So first of all, you have to construct the longest diagonal. That is 125 mm. Here I have the name mentioned is called as A and C. Okay. So first of all, I construct the A and C. After that, I draw the vertical line having a length of 50 mm. So that I have construct the vertical line in a perpendicular to the AC. Okay. So that is the name is called as B and T. Okay. So once you have to construct the plus symbol, after join the all the corners like A, B, and AD and CD and CT. Okay, you're getting a Roman shape. After constructing the top view of the rhombus, okay, first of all, next step we have to construct all the corners should be projected towards the XY line. Okay, so it's like A is a projected towards the XY line, B and D and C. Okay, so after constructing the all the corners of the rhombus, we have to position the XY line. There is a starting and ending point. The starting point is A dash and the ending point is C dash. Similar, B and D, this point is coinciding along the line, that is name is called as B dash and D dash. Okay. So once you are to constructing the line, okay. So the front view, that is we getting the line view. Okay. So after constructing this one, you have to measure the length value. Okay, like A dash and C dash. Okay. Once you have to measure the value, you have to take it note of. Okay. The next step we have to do the incline to 30 degree to HP. That is the condition we have to move for this question. Okay. So what I do, along the XY line, you place the one point. Okay, wherever you have to point, okay, that point you have to make an angle of 30 degree. Okay, so previous step we have to measure the length of A dash and C dash. Okay, that length value you have to take it out. Then you have to point it. You have to already mark in the 30 degree. You have to draw the line along the point. Okay, what is the value you have to measure? Okay, like the A dash and C dash. That line value you have to mark first. Okay, that line name is called as here I have the A dash and C dash. Then another point is a B dash and D dash. You have to mark it along the line. Okay. What I have to do, either you have to measure the distance of A dash, B, D dash, or else C dash from the C dash to B, D dash. Okay. You have to get any or either one value you have to measure. Okay. After measuring that, you have to point it along the third step. Okay. So first step, you have to construct the front top view of the rhombus. After that, you have to construct the front view of the rhombus. Okay. That is the second step. The third step, we have to incline the 30 degree according to tiltation of this print view diagram. Okay, after constructing the point markation, that is the third step. Okay, what is the fourth step? You have to construct all the points. Okay, so A dash, B dash, D dash, C dash, you have to construct the line downward towards the top view. Then similar, you have to, from the top you already draw, you have to draw the horizontal line towards the projected lines. Okay, after meeting all the points, like A dash is meet with A, so the name is called as A1. So B dash, D dash is meet with B and D point. Okay, that name is called as B1 and D1. C dash is a meeting with along the line of AC. Okay, that is a C point. The name is called as C1. Okay, after joining all the points, okay, getting the tilted view of that is the conditions of 30 degree, we are getting the rhombus shape. Okay, so this is the diagram. Okay, So first of all, first you have to construct the front view of this diagram. After that, you have to construct the top view. Okay, top view and the front view. That is the second step. Third step, what will you do? You have to make an angle of 30 degree. You construct the line. Okay. After construct the line, you have to proceed towards the top view. Okay, you getting the exact shape of the final view. Thank you.